Back in November, I posted a video about making the fourth axis for the CNC machine. But I got a bit involved in building the new workshop, but now we're going to start making the fourth axis. So we'll just recap. I've got a back plate casting to machine down to fit the back of that. There's the stepper motor is going to fit in there with the shaft in there. And then the chuck will fit on the shaft. And then I'm going to drill the centres of these with the tailstock, which has got a live centre, all the way down through this aluminium backing plate, so I can use the full length of the cutting area of the CNC machine. So let's get started. I'm going to machine up this casting now, mount the chuck and the back plate together. I'm just facing off the casting where the chuck fits. Just taking down the diameter of the face plate now to fit the chuck. I'm just reaming the hole for the shaft. Right, that's the shaft hole done. Right, we'll just try the shaft in. Oh, that's a lovely fit. That's that shaft hole done. So that's that face and edge done of the faceplate for the chuck. That line there will be the centre lines of my fixing holes. Now what I've got to do is turn it round, change the chuck jaws to clamp on the outside of there and clean up the back side. Just cleaning the back of the faceplate up now. That's the back of the faceplate cleaned off. Right, so that's the back plate fitted onto the chuck. Then the shaft will go into the gearbox when I'm ready.